What's up, y'all? So I'm about to do a sugar scrub on my face, and I just wanted to step in the natural light and take a look at what my skin is really looking like before I get started. And as you can see, I already got some unevenness going on in my complexion, but my forehead, under my eyes, across my nose, and certain parts down here have been peeling. My skin is peeling. And this sugar scrub method, you guys, has worked for me for a very long time. It doesn't matter if it's summer, winter, spring, or fall. This is one of the routines in my skincare that has always stayed the same. It's 3 simple ingredients. You better have these in your kitchen. I'm trying to tell you, if you don't have these in your kitchen, you ain't really cooking, because it's some basic stuff, but it's going to change your life. So before I get started, I just want to take a look again. And let's get to this summertime glow. Starting with a 1/4 cup of sugar, you're going to use less than half of a lemon and just squeeze the life out of it. And then lastly, add the oil of your choice. It's seriously that simple, you guys. You just want to mix it up until it comes to a really good consistency. I like to add my oil as I go so I'm not wasting product. You don't want it too soupy. You want to make sure that it's a good paste that it's going to stick on your skin and not just slough off. But this is how it should look. I love sugar scrubs, you guys, but these 3 ingredients are my go-to. They smell good. It tastes great. You can use it as a lip exfoliant as well. But here I'm just putting it on my face and scrubbing lightly in circular motions, just focusing under my eyes and on my forehead because that's where a lot of my skin was peeling and rough. And lastly, use it on your neck. Actually, use it on your whole body, but don't just wash your face. Wash your neck too, y'all. The sun does a whole damage on your body. But I didn't even use a 1/4 cup. This is pretty much how much I had left over. A good hand scrub amount left. And I just wipe it off. I don't wash my face. I don't wash it off because I don't want the sugars getting in my eyes. But it's really that simple. I could tell the difference already. And that's it. So after your skin dries, you guys, you're gonna see the glow. I feel it. I feel better already. And once you're consistent with using it, it's gonna work. All right, you guys, so I'm finishing in the room we started in just to see if you could tell the difference in my skin from before the sugar scrub. I can. I mean, I love my scrubs, y'all. Just having that whole dead layer of skin removed, my face feels lighter and it's a lot softer in the places that were rough not even 10 minutes ago. I want to encourage you guys to give it a shot. Try it out if you haven't already. And if you already are a sugar scrubber, let me know what kind of ingredients you use in yours, because I use what I just showed you for my face, but I also use a scrub on my legs in which I add different ingredients to help me remedy my strawberry legs. And it's been amazing for me. But anyways, you guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you vibed, you better subscribe. Bye, y'all. Keep the faith and hustle.